Yo, what is up, YouTube? So today we're going to be unboxing the Jordan 5 Wolf Grays. We're going to be unboxing them, reviewing them, and doing an on-foot review. Now, I know this is a different style of video than what you're expecting on this channel, but I did want to try something new. Alright, so without further ado, let's just go right into the video. Alright, so starting off with the box. This is a regular Jordan 5 box, but in gray. So you got the Jumpman logo on the front, and on this side you do have the Nike Air logo, as well as this thing and your tags. I did get it in a size 8.5. So yeah, let's just see how it looks like. Alright, so taking it out of the box, you can see this is the beautiful shoe right here. You could see just how beautiful this shoe really is. So yeah, this is how the shoe looks like. You do have this cool little gray, I'm not sure what this is. It doesn't look like suede, but it is kind of soft. And you can see up close, it is a little crumbled up, just like that. And it does come with this nice little netting right here, as well as this cool design. I just love the all gray look on this shoe. This is a really beautiful shoe. It's definitely my favorite shoe that's released all of 2026. So you also do have the 23 for Michael Jordan, as well as the air bubble right here. On the top of the shoe, you can see the toe box. It's like a pretty hard toe box. It does pop right back up though. And you do have these matching gray shoelaces. I also forgot to mention, these have a lot of holes to put your shoelaces in, which I guess is pretty cool. And then you do have the Jumpman logo right here. And the cool thing about it is reflective. You probably can't see it right now, but just trust me, this logo is reflective. And yeah, here's just how the Jumpman logo looks like. It also does have this cool little thing. Just says Nike on it. It's like this thing that, like, if you just like hold on it, it does like loosen this up just like that. I don't really know the use really, because you could just like tie your shoes. But I mean, it is cool. It does like make the shoe look pretty nice. So I really can't complain. Moving on to the other side of the shoe, it's like basically the same thing, just without like the 23 logo. But yeah, basically almost the same thing. Now on the back, you do have the Jordan logo again right here. And on the back of the tongue, you do have Air Jordan just like that. As well as on the insole, you have the Jumpman logo again. And like, if you could see, like the ankle has a lot of support on this shoe. You can see like the entire shoe from like here looks pretty skinny until you get up to here, and it's just like this like these like chunky things right here, which I think is good for playing basketball. I don't really know for sure, but I think it's good, but don't quote me on that. Now moving on to the bottom of the shoe, you do have the Jordan logo once again, just like that, as well as you can see it says Jordan right here, and it does have some good traction just like that. So you probably won't slip with these shoes. But yeah, other than that, I think that is really it for this shoe. I really like this shoe. It's probably one of my favorite shoes that I've ever released, honestly. Like, I have all these shoes right here, just like that. But honestly, this might be top 5 shoes of all time, because it's just so versatile. You could wear it with all white fits, you could wear it with all black fits, and you can of course wear it with all gray fits. You can honestly just match this with any pants, any shirts. One thing I did forget to mention is that I am a size about 9, and I did get a size 8.5, and it definitely feels better than if I got a size 9, because here I have another Jordan 5. This is an off-white pair, and I got this in a size 9, and I have to tie it really tight. Like, it was honestly, I had to tie it so tight, I honestly just did not even wear it. Like, you can see it's literally brand new. And yeah, I honestly just like, I just left this to rot. Like, I don't really wear this at all. So yeah, personally, I would recommend sizing down half a size if you do want to lace it a bit looser. Other than that, let's just go back into the on foot review. This is how it looks like on foot. As you can see, just like that. Now I do have some gray Bape socks, which I feel like make it look good, but honestly I feel like white socks are as good as this. So yeah, also they are pretty comfortable, I cannot lie, and I honestly just love the look of these on feet. Like, These are actually one of the most beautiful shoes I've ever seen, bro. So yeah, if you're interested in them, I would recommend getting them, bro. Like, I don't know how much the resale is, but if you're willing to spend the money, personally, if I had the money, I would buy them resale. But yeah. Alright guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. I really like these shoes. And yeah. Also, this is important. If you guys did enjoy this new style of video where I did show my face and show the shoes like this, let me know in the comments. Or if you guys like the old unboxing videos, like the old ones on my channel where I just really only showed the shoes, please let me know in the comments about that, because that is honestly really helpful. And yeah. So yeah guys, if you did enjoy this video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Peace.